Welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you're new here, special welcome. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Google search history not deleting here on an Android phone. So what you're going to do first is hold that app. So click this I button or app information will just automatically redirect you to this page, which is just from the settings. And then scroll down, go to storage, and then clear cache. So this is important because sometimes there are bugs or teeny tiny errors and which is just usually caused by cache. And then what you're going to do is go to Google Chrome next and then click these three vertical dots on the upper right corner and then go to history tab and then click delete browsing data. Here you can choose like whether the time range, whether the last 24 hours, last 15 minutes, or last hour, for example, like that. And make sure to also delete the cached images and files. Click delete data, confirm that you really want to delete this, and there you have it. Thank you and see you in the next video.